Hello everyone, and welcome back to Life Story Echoes. Today we bring you a wise and funny folktale from Old England that teaches us how clever thinking can help us overcome even the biggest problems. While listening, you'll also learn new English words and phrases. So stay with us until the end to enjoy the story and improve your English step by step. Now let's begin. Once upon a time, in a small town in England, there lived a tailor named Tom. He was not very rich, but he was very clever. Tom made clothes for the people in the town, and he was always smiling and singing while he worked. One sunny morning, Tom was sitting by his window sewing a coat. Just then a woman passed by selling jam. "Fresh strawberry jam," she shouted. Tom loved strawberry jam, so he bought a small jar. He took a piece of bread and spread the jam on it. But just as he was about to take a bite, buzz, 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 a fly came and landed on his jam. Tom was annoyed. So Tom took a small cloth and hit the fly. "Take that, silly fly," he said. To his surprise, he saw 7 dead flies lying on the cloth. "Wow," Tom said proudly. "I killed 7 in one blow." He thought this was something amazing, so he made a big belt and wrote on it, "7 at one blow." But he didn't say flies, just 7. He wore the belt and walked around town. People saw the belt and thought Tom was a great warrior. "He killed 7 enemies at once," they whispered. Tom smiled but said nothing. Soon, news reached the king. The king was looking for brave men to protect the kingdom. He sent his guards to bring Tom to the palace. When Tom arrived, the king asked, "Is it true? Did you kill 7 at one blow?" Tom nodded. "Yes, your majesty." He said, "Then I have a task for you. In the forest nearby, there are 2 giants who are troubling the people. If you are truly brave, go and stop them." Tom didn't want to fight giants, but he knew he had to be smart. So he packed some cheese, a small bird in a cage, and a stone. Then he walked to the forest. In the forest, he found the 2 giants sleeping under a tree. They were huge. Their arms were like tree branches. Tom climbed the tree above them and dropped the stone on one of their heads. The giant woke up angry and hit the other one. Soon they were both shouting and fighting each other. Tom laughed quietly and ran to another tree. When the giants stopped fighting, they heard Tom say loudly, "I'm the one who threw the stone." The giants looked around but couldn't find him. They became scared. "If he can throw stones from the sky, he must be powerful," one said. Then Tom jumped down and said, "Wait, watch what I can do." He took the cheese and squeezed it hard. The juice came out. "See? I can squeeze water from a rock." The giant's eyes grew wide. Then he took the bird cage. "This is my secret weapon," he said, and opened the cage. The bird flew high into the sky. "Now my magic bird will bring lightning if you don't leave this forest." The giants were terrified. "He is not just strong, he has magic." They ran away and never came back. Tom returned to the king and told him the giants were gone. The king was amazed and gave Tom a big bag of gold. But Tom didn't stop there. With his clever ideas, he helped the kingdom many times and he became a trusted advisor to the king. And what about the belt? He still wore it proudly. But whenever someone asked, "What were the 7?" Tom would only smile and say, "That's my secret." This story teaches us that you don't need to be the strongest or the richest. Sometimes being clever is enough. Just like Tom, if you use your brain and stay calm, you can solve even the biggest problems. Did you enjoy this folktale and learn new English phrases? Let us know in the comments. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Life Story Echoes for more stories that teach life lessons and help you practice English in a fun way. Thanks for watching and keep listening, learning, and growing. See you in the next story.